Top 10 highest paying jobs in India. Are you thinking about switching careers to get a well paying job? Not sure about the education or work experience you would need to grab one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the top 10 highest paying jobs in India. Number 10. Management Consultant. These are the guys who help companies identify and solve problems, improve performance, and find ways to maximize growth. Think corporate strategy and increasing efficiency. If you are good at problem solving and not intimidated by challenges, then this is a career you can consider. So, how does one get the job? For starters, you need a bachelor's degree in either business, economics, finance, or management. An MBA is a plus. For freshers, expect a bit of grunt work. Successful management consultants have years of industry experience, but the payoff is worth it. Management consultants are paid by the hour, and the median salary is around 10 lakh rupees per annum. Number 9. Working for the RBI. The Reserve Bank of India is the country's premier financial institution. Apart from printing currency, it is the banker to the government and the Central Monetary Authority in the country. Landing a job here is a ticket to a secure future. One of the most preferred options for a fresh graduate is the Grade B officer. As prerequisites, you need to be between the ages of 21 to 30 and must have secured at least 60% while graduating. There is an online test followed by rounds of personal interviews. While the competition is intense, the salary and the perks are worth it. Selected candidates start with a monthly salary of approximately Rs 77,000. But here's the best part. You get an off for every bank holiday. Number 8. Full Stack Software Developer. Full stack developers create both the front end and the back end of a software or website. Their primary goal is to translate a user's requirements into a product, be it a website or a native application. For someone looking to choose this field, the ability to learn new technologies is absolutely necessary, along with designing prototypes and sticking to tight deadlines. So, how do you become a full stack developer? Individuals with a bachelor's in IT or computer science can team it up with online courses about full stack development, including necessary programming languages. On an average, a full stack software developer gets an average of 6 lakh rupees per annum, while those with 5 to 9 years of experience earn an average total compensation of 10 lakh rupees per annum. Number 7. Product Manager. A product manager is responsible for translating the customer's ideas into reality. It involves building features, designing the product, marketing strategy, and setting up the product line. But it doesn't end there. You also need to speak to your sales team to understand the market, get feedback from clients, and improve the design. So, how do you become a product manager? More than a professional degree, experience coupled with a specialized course will help you to master this profession. The average salary for a product manager in India is 16 lakh rupees, with a higher range going up to around 30 lakh rupees. Number 6. Oil and natural gas professionals. With the adoption of clean energy sources, the oil and gas industry may have lost a bit of sheen over the years, but the field still pays well. If you hate the thought of a desk job and would love to work with heavy machinery, this one's for you. Individuals with strong math, communication, and problem-solving skills are preferred. The industry is always in need of petroleum engineers, production engineers, drilling specialists, and more. A bachelor's degree in engineering is a must, while a master's is preferred. While the median salary of a petroleum engineer is 8 lakh rupees yearly, individuals with knowledge and expertise can make up to 50 lakh rupees per annum. Number 5. Blockchain Developer. Blockchain is a relatively new field and can redefine everything from currency transactions, supply chains, healthcare, to even identity records. It cuts out the middleman and is highly secure. According to Blockchain Expo, blockchain will play a pivotal role in eliminating hunger and income inequality. Unsurprisingly, there is a dearth of qualified specialists and companies. A void you can fill. You need a bachelor's degree in engineering coupled with a strong background in software development, data structures, and algorithms. If you do decide to take the plunge, know that it's worth it. With a bachelor's degree in engineering and a specialized online course, you can expect a salary between 2 to 10 lakh rupees, depending on the company. Number 4. Chartered Accountant. CAs work in every industry and provide financial expertise for managing money well. If you have strong math skills, are analytical, and aren't intimidated by complex financial concepts, this might be a good option for you. You'll need to complete the ICAI regulated CA course. Once certified as a CA, you can expect a starting package of up to 4.8 lakh rupees per annum, which goes up to 7.8 lakh per annum. On the higher side, you can expect a package of 31.2 lakh rupees per annum. Number 3. Machine learning experts. Think machine learning. Think iRobot, Terminator, Matrix. It is an application of artificial intelligence wherein the system learns and improves on its own without being programmed, just like the human brain. While we all may be interested in the field, becoming a machine learning expert is another thing altogether. For starters, you need to have a degree in maths or statistics, know R or Python, and data science. You can opt for specialized online courses as well. Freshers can expect a salary of 5 lakh rupees annually. Number 2. Investment bankers. One of the highest paying jobs worldwide. An investment banker helps their clients invest their money wisely for the highest possible returns. A field that attracts college graduates and experienced finance professionals. Investment banking is for those with a knack for number crunching, strong communication, and entrepreneurial skills. Most students opt for an MBA in finance and then specialize in international business. The average salary for an entry-level investment banker in India is 6 lakh rupees per annum. Number 1. Data scientist. What oil was to the 19th century economy, data is to the 21st century, an untapped resource of immense potential. It is no wonder that data science offers the best remunerations in today's economy. The primary job of a data scientist is to extract insights from the massive amount of data collected by an organization. This helps improve profits, decide strategy, and improve customer relationships. Apart from knowing programming languages and an ability to work complex formulas, an insight into consumer psychology is required. So, how do you become a data scientist? The most common and recommended path for graduates and engineers is to opt for a PG diploma or master's in data science. The average entry-level data scientist salary in India is 5 lakh rupees per annum, while those at a mid-career draw an average salary of 13 lakh rupees per annum. So, which of these high-paying jobs are you interested in? Check out the description if you want to learn more about Upgrad's courses on machine learning, blockchain development, product management, and data science. And as always, keep watching.
Upgrad learners get certified by top universities, placement support, one-on-one mentoring. Upgrad, online programs for working professionals. Raho ambitious. To know more, follow or subscribe to Upgrad.